How to log in into your Neiman Marcus credit card account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me move into Safari. In the source bar, you have to search for Neiman Marcus credit card login. It will land you on this page. In here, you have to head over to the very first site. Wait for a while. It will land you on the official page of Neiman Marcus credit card. Also, it is called Capital One. Now in here, you have to click on Sign In. It will land you on this page where you will be able to log into your account. First of all, enter the username of your account and then enter the password that you have created while creating your account. Now if you want them to remember your login credential, all you want to do is click on this checkbox Remember Me. After that, simply click on Sign In and you will be signed in to your specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Neiman Marcus credit card account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.